Welcome to my channel. School assembly, morning thought in English. Do not wait for tomorrow because tomorrow does not wait for you. Therefore, tomorrow always come tomorrow. Keep going, everything will come to you at the perfect time. If you believe in yourself, then you will achieve what you want. My biggest dream is to look back and say I achieve it. Goodness do it like running water because evil is the trash that automatically comes out of the water. Build a life you don't need a vacation from. So do like, comment and share and subscribe my YouTube channel.